Sweet potatoes are my favorite. He's not doing the Lance Armstrong.
I don't think he likes sweet potatoes.
You don't like sweet potatoes? Oh, come on. You don't like sweet potatoes?
Give me both hands.
He's like, who? What? Who, me? What? Who, me? That's so yummy. That's nummies. One more.
More?
Can you say more? Yeah.
Gimme.
Sweet potatoes. Did you say more? More? Oh my good golly. It's definitely the best reaction of any of the foods you've tried. That's your favorite. Either that or he's just smiling because I'm finally feeding him.
Okay, baby hawk. I know someone who can help you with that.
All over him.
It's yummy, Mommy. Give me more. Get those legs going. Get those legs going.
Come on, Lance Armstrong.
Both hands.